In today's video, I will show you how you can make money with Canva by selling simple designs on Fiverr. This is free to do and all you need to do is follow all the steps in the video. Now, before starting, if you like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for future updates. Now let's jump straight into the tutorial. This video is divided into 3 separate parts. In part 1, I will explain what is Canva and how you can use it to create designs that you can easily sell on Fiverr. In part 2, I will explain what is Fiverr and how it works. In part 3, I will teach you how you can do service research and will show some examples of other sellers on Fiverr. Okay, so Canva is an online tool where you can create awesome and attractive designs. Here you can see you can design presentations, Instagram post, logo, poster and a lot of different things. Okay, as you can see there are a lot of templates here. You can use them to create your designs. Okay, let's click on this logo template for instance. Now here you can customize everything by using all these tools. Okay, now let's change the text of this logo. You can also change the color and image by these options. Here you can use your creativity and design anything you like. It's simple drag and drop. Fiverr is one of the best freelancing websites for beginners. Here you can sell the designs you made on Canva. So to become a seller, click on this button. Now you have to create your Fiverr account and add gigs related to Canva. I will show you how you can find keywords and tags for your gigs in the next part of the video, so watch till the end. Now if you don't know how to create a Fiverr gig, then drop down a comment below. I will make a separate tutorial on this. Okay, now let's do some service research. Type Canva and search and let's see what results we will get. We will click on the search. Okay, so now you can see what type of Canva related services people are offering. You can scroll down and see all the services people are offering in their gigs. Okay, so let's click on this gig. As you can see, all these designs are made in Canva and all of these designs are very simple to make, and you can easily make these type of designs in Canva. Okay, let's scroll down and see. You can see that's her description, and she's from United States and she joined in November 2019, and she's offering 3 packages: basic, standard and premium. And you can also see her reviews. So let's calculate the amount of money she have made from this gig only, and let's open calculator and see 372 plus 8 into, we will take this basic package, $60. And now as you can see, she has made around $23,000 by just using Canva. Okay, now let's see another example. Okay, so like scroll down. Okay, let's open this. Okay, you can see like all these designs are made in Canva, and these are very simple designs that you can make too. Now I will show you how you can find the related keywords and the tags for your gigs. Okay, so as you type Canva, you will see you get 2 keywords that people are searching on Canva, that is Canva design and Canva templates. So if you will click on one of the keywords, you will see these suggested keywords here. So you can note down these keywords and you can use these keywords in your gig. These are the keywords that people are searching here. So if we will open Canva templates, you can see all these gigs are ranking for this keyword. Okay, so if you want to find out what type of tags these gigs are using, just simply open up one gig and scroll down, okay, and to the bottom, and here you can see these are the tags this person is using in his gigs. Okay, so you can just replicate what she is doing, and you can create your own gig and just start earning through Canva.